Hey everyone, so let's go ahead and talk about another widget area we have within the Porto theme. And essentially the following widget area is a little bit more extensive than the others, and it's called Flo Post Types. So we'll drag and drop this widget here. We will then add our widget title. So this will be my favorite blog posts. Over here we can then add a decoration image. So we'll simply click here, upload this image, and we'll then need to select whether this is latest blog post, latest gallery posts, or latest pages. So we'll stick with latest blog posts, and here we have a number of view types for us to choose from. So let's just run by these real quick and see what they all have to offer. So here we have just regular columns. Let's go ahead and put down 3 columns. We'll add 6 posts. And gutter space will be left at 30 pixels. We'll click on save. We will then go here, refresh our home page, scroll down, and here we have my favorite blog posts, and here we have 6 posts that we've added. Alright, next off we have the following view type, and for this we'll also leave it at 3 columns, 6 posts, and 30 pixels. For the gutter space, we'll refresh this, and here essentially is the view type. So it's just slightly different. Next off, we have the following 50-50 view. We'll leave this at 2 columns and 6 posts. We'll click on save, refresh the following page, and here we have 2 columns, 6 posts. Alright, and this view type over here is pretty cool. So let me just go ahead and change this to 3 posts. Click on save, and the reason why I selected 3 posts for this because it displays only 3 posts, and this is a perfect layout with the combination of 3 posts. If you add 4 or 5 posts, you'll have an additional larger image at the bottom, and which will be your 4th post, and if you add a 5th post, you'll have a blank area here. So it's complete only if you use 6 posts, 3 posts, and so forth. So I prefer 3 posts only. Alright, next off we have the following list view. Let's go ahead and click on save. We'll refresh this page once again. And here we go, we have 3 blog posts. Moving on, we have also the following layout type. And for this area here, we'll select 4 columns. We will select 8 blog posts. And we have our blog post title, which is essentially a featured post. So let me just kind of explain how that works. So essentially, what this does, let's just go ahead and click on save first, and then I'll explain as we go here. So this is the following view type. So a featured post is this larger blog post that you can manually specify. So as you'll see here, I specified blog post title, which is the name of my blog post, and then I added 8 blog posts to show around this particular post. So I can change this to, for example, 4 posts, and I'll click on save, I'll refresh this page, and you'll see that I have only 4 posts alongside with my featured post. So if you want to change this post, simply start typing in your blog post title, and here I have all of these posts to choose from. So it'll be blog post 5. I'll click on save. Let me refresh this page. And here we have blog post 5 appear over here. And yeah, this is pretty much the entire set of settings we have for this particular widget. So play around with it. It's pretty cool, and you can use it in many areas. So I do hope this video helps, but also for some additional information on widgets, just be sure to check out our documentation, and that link is in the video description below. Thank you.